Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be looking at how to play the classic folk song, This Old Man, otherwise known as Knick Knack Paddywack, a song so old that no one has any idea who wrote it. Here's what This Old Man looks like when it's written down in the key of C. And this is how it sounds. G, E, G, G, E, G, A, G, F, E, D, E, F, E, F, G, C, 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 D, E, F, G, G, D, D, F, E, D, C. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss a tutorial. Also, come follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and of course, Patreon. And until next time, stay tuned.